was February 20th, 2025. Cold morning, quiet yard. 1 minute standing, solid as stone. Next minute gone, hit hard. Steel bent low, timbers down, snow settling on the mess. Didn't yell, didn't curse the sky, just stood there, took a breath. Because when something falls apart, you don't rush, you don't pretend. You start right where you're standing, and you work it to the end. Piece by piece, board by board, you save all that you can. It takes time, it takes grit, but a dream can rise again. Careful demo, step by step, nothing wasted if it's sound. Pulling value from the wreckage, laying order on the ground. Every beam that could be saved, every bolt, every plan. Not tearing down in anger, just working like a man. Because when something falls apart, you don't quit, you don't run, you don't chase some shortcut. You just do what must be done. Slow hands, clear eyes, you give it all you've got. It takes time, it takes work, but dreams don't die on one hard drop. I've learned the hard way more than once. Nothing good is built fast. What lasts is patience under load, and lessons from the past. You measure twice, you live with care. You don't fight what's true, you rebuild stronger than before. 'Cause now you've been through. The workshop lives in every plan, every tool I set aside. Every day I show back up and refuse to let it slide. Steel will rise and walls will stand, stronger than they've been. 'Cause sweat and time and honest work still win in the end. So when it all comes crashing down and the ground feels hard beneath, you don't lose the vision, you just lower it to your feet. Step by step, day by day, you build with what you've got. It takes a while, but work done right rebuilds every dream you thought you lost. February 20th marked the fall, but it wasn't the end. Just the day the rebuilding started, with calloused hands and patience, my friend.